rather than being cast as one piece and then being machined like this one here, this cam is actually made in multiple pieces. So this cam starts off as basically a hollow steel tube, and then on that hollow steel tube, each one of the lobes is actually pressed onto it. So each one of these lobes is made individually and pressed onto that hollow steel tube. So it's made up in multiple pieces. This is used on a lot of newer engines. Couple of benefits to this. One is that this tends to be a lot lighter because basically the guts of this cam is hollow, right? We don't have all that extra weight moving around. Also, it tends to be a stronger design. So on a cast camshaft like this, any cast component tends to be pretty hard, but it also has the ability to be very brittle. So on a camshaft like this, if this is an overhead cam engine and we need to bolt this down into place, as I mentioned to you guys before, if you were to just bolt this down and you don't really pay attention to how you tighten up these bolts, there's a very good chance to just snap this cam in half. So here's a cam that's been broken. Pretty thick material, you wouldn't think it would break very easily, but it doesn't take much to break a camshaft like this. So by using the hollow steel tube design instead, this makes it much stronger. So it can deal with all that side load a lot better.
So is that steel or iron?
So this one would be steel. And most of the camshafts we're going to deal with nowadays are steel. And we'll talk a little bit more about this difference as we get just a little bit further along.